Hello, this is Davide Rivetti, owner of the Massimo Rivetti family farm in Langhe, Piedmont in Italy. Today I'm going to present you our Langhe Nebbiolo Avene, made with Nebbiolo grape from one of the highest fields in the area at more than 500 meters above the sea level. A heroic vineyard such as this one, with a slope of over 30%, requires a great degree of hand labor, since the use of machinery is not always possible. It's aged for 1 year in Slavonian oak, and it's an elegant Nebbiolo with non-complex tannins and a good minerality. It's ideal with pasta or white meat. Salute!